Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the product review of the John Deere Cab Extra Fuel Work Light Kit which is for the 5020 series, 5025 series, 5M, and 5E series. And here's a part number. Now I'll try to see if I can get it to focus. Nope, I can't. So the part number is LVB 25720. And today's video, it's just going to be the product review, not on how to install it. These lights, but it'll be on an upcoming video, so stay tuned. Okay, YouTube, I'm back. Let's go ahead and open up the box, see what's inside the box here. It like comes with wire hookups. It's all ready to go. Washers, bolts, the installation manual. Here are the lights that comes with the kit, which looks exactly like the lights that come standard with the tractor. Thanks for watching.